Chapter 10. Perfect Tenses. Let's learn perfect tenses. The perfect tense tells us about an action that occurred at any given time, in the present, past or future. Present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to indicate an action that has been completed in the immediate past by adding just. For example, she has just finished watering the plants. To describe an action beginning at some point of time in the past and continuing till the present moment. For example, he has known me since he was born. To express past actions, the time for which is unknown. For example, I have visited Tokyo. To describe an action that has been completed but has an effect in the present. For example, I have scratched my arm. Formation of sentences in present perfect tense. To make a positive sentence, we add the helping verbs has or have with the past participle form of the main verb. For example, I have taught that lesson before. To make a negative sentence, we add has not or have not before the past participle form of the main verb. For example, he has not given me a reason to complain. To make an interrogative sentence, we start the question with have or has before the subject followed by the past participle form of the main verb. For example, have they decided who the captain will be? Past perfect tense. The past perfect refers to a time earlier than before now. It is used to make it clear that one event happened before another in the past. The train had left the station before we could reach. The patient had died before the doctor came. Formation of sentences in past perfect tense. To make a positive sentence, we add had before the past participle form of the main verb. For example, we had walked a good way up the hill when we saw the shortcut. To make a negative sentence, we add had not before the past participle form of the main verb. For example, I had not learned Japanese before I came to Tokyo. To make an interrogative sentence, we add had before the subject followed by the past participle form of the main verb. For example, had they seen such a spectacle in their country? Future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to explain an activity that will be completed by a certain time in the future. For example, the coconut tree will have grown by the end of this year. Formation of sentences in future perfect tense. To make a positive sentence, we add will have shall have before the past participle form of the main verb. For example, they will have completed their training by the end of this month. To make a negative sentence, we add will shall have before the past participle form of the main verb. For example, they will not have arrived by the time the show starts. To make an interrogative sentence, we add will shall before subject plus have followed by the past participle form of the main verb. For example, will they have sold the house before the auction starts?